Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a campaign for your Mailchimp account and for your subscribers. So what you want to do is go on the home page and you will have here create campaign. Just click on it and then you will have an options here. What I recommend when you want to create an email or newsletter, just create an email, click there. Now you have three options here. The first one is to create just normal email that you want to write to your subscribers, or automated email that it's going to be always send out. And it's like email subscribers when they're tagged, welcome new subscribers. So when someone joins your through sign up form, he will get an email that thank you for signing for newsletter and say happy birthday. If your customers have happy birthday, this is really great when you have e-commerce, or share blog updates. And then you have also thank first time customers. There is plenty of way, but let's start with a normal email. Create an email campaign name. Let's start a blog. I don't know. Begin the journey right now. Now we are going to, who are you sending this campaign into? We are going to choose none, and we have 23 subscribers there. Okay. You can also personalize the to field. This means that if you have your accounts, your subscribers, and you added also names, and when you just click F name, that's like first name, last name, first name and last name. So right now when you will be sending them, it will say, hey, first name, or hey, last name, or hey, first name, last name. You get it, right? So you can do that if you want. But we have only emails right now. We don't have names in our database, so we are going to choose only emails. Okay, you can also pre-build segments. Now, let's continue. Save. From Marcus, I'll write this email address, save. Subject, add subject, amazing news. You don't need to use preview text if you don't want to. Plenty of people are not using preview text in their emails because it's not necessary. And now what you want to do, save, and we will go on the last step. The most important one is a content. Now content, design email. It will redirect us to another site where we are going to create template. What you can do, you have options here. First one, you can choose themes. It's loading. Okay, and here we go. You can choose from these themes and just edit them as you want, but we are going to create ourselves a new one, all right? So make an announcement, tell a story. Let's make an announcement, or yeah, let's sell products. I want to sell products. Okay, now it's really easy to edit it, and it's really from UX and UI standpoint, you will have no problem. First, you are going to choose a logo here where you are going to replace it. If you just need to upload logo here like that, it's not a logo, but you get an idea. Now, when you want to style settings, all right, align center. What I recommend is always have small logo. Let's close it down now. Showcase your product. Let's write it. Let's change it to, I don't know, big news. You will have a product here. Again, replace and choose a product. Now just write really catchy text. We have limited action for you. 20% off for first 10 orders. Something like that, it doesn't really matter. And make this like that. And now what we want is this to be bigger. Style size. It's like 22 now. That's like 30. Okay. You can also rewrite this. Start shopping. A link to web address, and you will just paste here your URL. You get an idea, or you can choose the email address or file, and you would add also related products that they can buy. Also really simple, really easy, and then editing these Facebook URL, Twitter, etc. And now what you want to do is save and close. And now you will have it. Yes, and they are saying that, okay, I did something wrong. And what you want to do is just send it after I resolve these problems. So this is it. This is how you create a campaign for Mailchimp. If you like this video, you can support me and subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.